A thunderbolt from the Arab world here, and this time it is in support of Donald Trump's Gaza peace plan. In a rare display of unity, foreign ministers from the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Egypt, Jordan, Turkey, Indonesia, and even Pakistan, they all lined up behind Trump's proposal. For once, leaders who don't always see eye to eye, they are speaking in one voice. And Israel? Well, Israel wasn't expecting this for sure. So, what exactly are they backing? They are backing Trump's 20-point plan that lays out an ambitious roadmap, rebuilding Gaza's shattered neighborhoods, ensuring no Palestinian families they are forced to displace, and opening channels for humanitarian aid. And wait, one most important point, working towards a two-state solution. Arab ministers welcome these points, stressing that this is the only way to end a war that has already destroyed thousands of lives. But here's the catch. They made it crystal clear that no annexation of the West Bank will be there. They want Israel to step back, release hostages, and commit to long-term security guarantees for both Israelis and Palestinians. The minister, they also signaled that they are ready to work constructively with Washington, giving Trump a level of Arab backing that very few American leaders have ever enjoyed. In the meantime, for Israel, this is surprising and slightly uncomfortable. Netanyahu has long relied on quiet ties with Gulf states, but now those very allies are siding publicly with Washington's terms, not Tel Aviv's red lines. Now that shift the balance of regional diplomacy here. And the stakes? Huge. If this joint Arab vision gains a lot of traction, it could reshape the future of the Middle East, moving the region away from endless wars and towards a structured peace. But history tells us one thing for sure. Plans look perfect on paper until they meet the ground realities of Gaza rockets, West Bank clashes, and political mistrust. But the question now is very simple yet very powerful. Is this Arab unity the start of a real peace breakthrough, or just another fleeting moment in the region's long cycle of hope and heartbreak?